Here's how to access Claude Design, and the key thing you need to know before trying. Open Claude in your browser and log into your account. You may notice there is no Design tab or dedicated Design section visible in the interface. This is normal and not a sign that it is missing from your account. To access it, go directly to the URL claude.com/design in your browser's address bar. Type it manually or replace the current path at the end of your Claude URL with /design and press Enter. This takes you straight to the Claude Design area. The most important detail, Claude Design requires a paid plan. If you are on the free tier, the page will not load correctly or will prompt you to upgrade. This is not a browser issue or a bug. You simply need a paid Claude plan before the feature becomes accessible. Once you are on a paid plan and visit claude.com/design, you will be able to open the design experience and start using it for design-related tasks directly inside Claude. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.